System.io affiliate marketing, how to use system funnel builder. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use System.io to create your own funnel and to do affiliate marketing. So let's get started. What is System.io? System.io is world's leading tool that helps you grow your online business, create your own sales funnel, do email marketing, create online courses. It also has a website builder and affiliate programs for you. So it is all in one platform with a lot of different features and tools that help you create your own business and then grow your business to make money. How to get started with System.io? You will simply go to System.io and you will land on this website right here. Now you can simply sign up with your system with your email address. You simply type in your email address and you can get started for free. There is no credit card required and there is a free plan for you. Once you sign up for System.io, this is where you will get. After the initial sign up on System.io, this is where you will land. This is our dashboard on System. So you will find the menu right here, and in menu we have dashboards, contact, funnels, email, blogs, automation, product and sales, and help. So you will simply click on funnels and it will take you to your funnels dashboard right here. To create a funnel, you simply click right here. Now you have to give your funnel a name. Let's call it test. Now I want to actually sell a product or a service and I'm going to click on create. So now my funnel has been created successfully. I can do different settings right here. Order form, thank you page, create tab, or inactive page as well. You can select from different templates that are available. So maybe let's go with this one. So I'm going to select this one. So we can add our name, URL path, then we have our resources, pricing plan, and coupons. We can also create our automation rules within our funnels. Then we have A/B split testing. If you want to choose a variant for your funnel and you want to compare two ads or two products in one campaign, then you can choose A/B split testing. Then we have stats. Stats allow us to check out the stats for our funnels, of course. And here I will be able to check out my conversion rates and what's the revenue, what is the page view, everything will be shown in the stats. Then we have sales, and sales actually give me all the details about the sales, the price, customer status. Then we have deadline settings and we have leads option as well. So this is where you simply will get all these settings for your funnels when you're creating a funnel in the System.io. So to check your funnel, to view your funnel, you will simply click right here and it will take you to your funnel. And this is what my funnel looks like. Now you might be wondering, like, this is a template that we went with, right? We want to add our own product, we want to add our own a text right here. So what you have to do is you will simply go ahead and click on edit page and it will allow you to edit the page that you have actually selected, template that you went with. And on System.io we get our own simple drag and drop. So you can see right here, now I can change the image. Of course I will change the image, I will add the image for my text. And then we have this text right here. I'm going to change the headline for the text, or I will also change this text right here. And then I can change the button, the different steps. If I want to delete something, I can go ahead and delete as well. For example, the first thing is going to be this one. This is a logo and this is not the logo for my company, so I'm going to delete this one. Then we have this image option. I will simply click right here and I can change the image right here. I can upload an image from my computer, or I can just get a URL of an image from my page. Once I have the image for my product, then I will simply add it right here. Then we have the text option. Simply click on the text and it will allow you to change the text, of course, and then we can change the font and color as well. Similarly, we can scroll down and add different things to our funnel as well. For example, I want to add a contact box, so I will simply drag it and drop it here and it will add a contact box right here. So it's a simple drag and drop. And of course, you will customize your funnel the way you want to. You will edit all of the information right here. So this is how you simply build a funnel for your products, and this is really important when it comes to affiliate marketing on system. So once you have a funnel page, then you're good to go. We have our own page. I can now simply go ahead and start affiliate marketing on system. So let me actually show you how you do affiliate marketing, how to create a product. You have a product and now you have also created a funnel page for your product. The next thing is going to be selecting an affiliate program. So you can simply go to the menu again, and in menu you will find all of your options such as automation, emails, and then we have product and sales. Simply click on product and sales and it will open up a drop down menu for you. And in this menu, we have physical products, coupons, orders, transactions, affiliate invoices, and my affiliate program. So simply go to my affiliate program and it will take you to your affiliate settings. And in here, you will be able to check out your total sales, your total leads sent, total commissions that you have earned with system affiliate programs. So simply go to affiliate program settings and then you will be able to get to these very advanced settings on system, because system is a very professional platform when it comes to creating your own affiliate marketing programs and products, creating funnel pages and everything. So it's really professional. In here, what you can do is you can connect your wise and then you can add a commission percentage. You can add the minimum payout amount. You can add a default payout delay. You can add a second tier affiliate commissions. Then we have your vendor name in the marketplace. So you simply add your information right here and you simply click on save and it saves all of the information about your affiliate program. And after that, you can simply create your own funnel page and you can create a professional affiliate program with system. That is how people create affiliate programs. When you see different programs and you're like, okay, how people are doing that, they're giving away the commissions and they also have this professional settings. So you can also create your own affiliate program with system right here. You can sign up as an affiliate as well if you do not want to sign up as a vendor on a system, and it will allow you to get your own affiliate dashboard as well. So this is the affiliate dashboard. You want to sign up as an affiliate, so you can go to the marketplace and then you can discover different items. Right here you can see we have many offers. These are the different funnel pages built for different products. You can see right here, this is the category. We have services, templates, physical products, software, and more. And then we have different offers such as 50%, 5% commission, and then we have the product payout, and all of these different products are available. So you can also sign up as an affiliate and do affiliate marketing right here on system. These are the different offers available. Then we have affiliate programs such as all of the famous programs are available right here with a good rate. Second tier affiliate marketing is also available. You can also check out the total right here. Then we have last 30 days payout and all of the information is given. You can check it out right now and you will be able to do affiliate marketing with system and make money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to show you how to use Systeme.io as a vendor and as an affiliate, how to create your own funnel page for the product of your affiliate program. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.